Across the street.
Push me.
Come on.
No, don't push me. You across this fucking street. Ow!
Now you can go to jail.
Ow! 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 No! No! No!
Welcome back to Teacup Cam. Today, we delve into an incident that unfolded at a high-end hotel, where a woman's disruptive behavior led to a chaotic confrontation with the police. What started as a routine disturbance call quickly escalated, capturing the attention of everyone present. Let's break down the events that transpired. Police were dispatched to the scene after reports of an unwanted guest causing a disturbance. Upon arrival, the officers encountered a woman who was visibly agitated and disrespectful. Witnesses described her as being extremely disruptive, shouting loudly and creating a scene in the hotel lobby. It was clear from the start that this was not going to be a simple case of asking someone to leave.
How are you? You having too much of a good time?
I have a question for you. So
Are you Julia?
What the are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong, and like you're watching like f***ing people. Like, so Where am I taking it? Out of here. Get me the out of here. Excuse me, wait, I need to talk to my
Ma'am, you have to go outside. They don't want you to.
why the fuck are you doing this to me?
No, you have to go outside, ma'am. Come on.
We'll wait for him.
What are you doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's gonna meet you outside.
How do you
Go
know
outside.
this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we
Sorry,
talking to
Jerry,
me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to
Julia,
me?
come outside with us. I need you to
Okay,
come outside with
why are we talking to me?
Come outside with us.
Why are we talking to me? What have I done?
Her behavior was unpredictable, and despite their attempts to calm her down, she continued to act out.
So give me a break if I don't give a about.
Listen to me. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. If not, you're gonna go to jail. Okay?
Okay.
You are trespassing from this hotel. Listen. No,
I'm
listen.
staying here.
No, you're not allowed to stay here. If you come back,
Why the
listen to.
Wait, no, excuse me. I'm staying here.
The officers struggled to ascertain whether she was a guest at the hotel, relying on her bracelet as a key piece of evidence. But her escalating agitation made it hard to maintain control.
No more.
So why? Why?
No more.
Give me a reason.
They want you off the property, so leave the property.
Give me
I told you.
reason.
I just told you. You gotta get off the property.
No, you did not
I did.
give me a
Yeah, I did.
reason. You little you did not.
Yeah, I did. They don't want you on the property. That's
Okay,
the reason.
so what? The reason is they don't want me on the property.
Where's Jerry at?
So please, this is my boyfriend, right?
Jerry,
You need to get her.
she has to leave.
Should I take her out of here?
Yeah, off the property completely.
Off property. Let me get my car.
Okay.
Why the
Hey,
Can we
Jules.
not?
Don't say anything else, please. Please. Otherwise, you're gonna get messy.
Is there a reason why I can't be kept here on property? I'm just curious.
They have the right to remove anybody from the
No, but I'm curious.
You don't have to do anything.
No, but I'm serious. I'm just
told you.
curious.
We don't know why. They called us because of whatever disturbance you're causing, and they want you off the property. That's all we know.
Oh,
So that's it.
so
Your boyfriend's gonna go get your bag and his bag.
fine. I just am like so, like I'm just like so.
Nothing to be confused about.
What am I confused about? Why the?
There's nothing to be confused about.
No, there absolutely is a lot to be confused about. Are you serious? So then you're stupid.
I guess I am.
Yes, that's true. So you're just stupid. That's what.
Yeah, I guess so.
We like stupid people. people too. No big deal. Stupid people are people. If we were in an actual world, we'd actually be friends, I think. But
I don't think so.
oh, fuck off.
I don't think so.
Right here?
Okay, then you're just friends with stupid people. I don't like those people either. So fuck off. Have fun with fucking stupid people. Who the fuck are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Smith.
I would like to know all of your
Smith.
fucking names because I'm gonna be reporting them.
That's great. I just told you my name, Smith.
Yeah, I'm like recording it right now. So Smith, and what's your other name? What's your actual
That's it.
name?
Smith is my name.
No, what's your first name?
You don't need my first name.
I actually do. I need to know your first name
I
and
just
your
told you
fucking
mine.
second name.
No, I
I
don't.
need to know every name that it takes to. Yes, I do. I'm recording this shit.
Go ahead.
You guys are so lazy. I understand
Thank
that
you.
you guys. No, I understand.
I understand,
like,
yeah. Thank you.
No, I understand that like having you guys as like a proponent is like pretty much like just like a death nail.
Cool.
It's like
Cool story.
anyone in your f***ing like service is going to get.
The situation took a dramatic turn when the woman refused to leave the premises. "Why are you surrounding me?" she screamed, accusing the officers of unfair treatment. Her insistence that she had done nothing wrong only fueled the tension, making it clear that this was not going to be a simple removal.
Let's go across the street. Go across the street. Across the street.
Okay, well then push.
Across the street.
Push me.
Come on.
No, fucking push me. Across this
God.
fucking street.
You can
Take
You can get off. You can get off the
Fucking
property.
across
You can
the
go to jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do?
Jesus fucking
Go across the street.
Jesus fucking Christ. You guys are
Go across the street.
Excuse me.
"Get off of me," she yelled as officers tried to get her outside.
Ow!
You fucking hit me.
Ow!
Her physical resistance was relentless. The officers, maintaining their composure, warned her repeatedly, "If you don't stop screaming, you're going to jail." The gravity of the situation was becoming increasingly evident, with every moment adding to the chaos. Amidst the chaos, the officers tried to explain the reason for her removal. "They don't want you on the property," one officer stated, but the woman was too disoriented to grasp the situation fully. Her confusion turned to anger, and she continued to challenge the officers, asking for specific reasons and questioning their authority. Eventually, the officers had no choice but to detain her. As they handcuffed her, her outbursts grew more frantic. "Get off of me!" she screamed again and again, her resistance becoming more violent. The officers, now in full control, had to ensure her safety and the safety of everyone around, despite her attempts to fight back.
Get up!
Fine was taken, unknown time delay. Got a 56 in the lobby, last seat wearing a black shirt.
You can stand up or we're going to pick you
Stand
up.
up!
Stand up or we're going to pick you up.
Get up!
Stop!
Stand up then!
Just get me out of here! Get off of me! Get off of me!
With the woman finally in custody, the officer's demeanor shifted from patience to firm resolve. "You're going to jail," they informed her, as she continued to hurl insults and threats. The arrest, though necessary, was anything but smooth, showcasing the challenging nature of handling such volatile situations.
Stand up!
Stand up. You're literally laying on the ground with no pants on. Get up and get in the car.
The aftermath was a series of charges for the woman, including felony battery on law enforcement. Despite her pleas of innocence, the evidence of her resistance and aggression was overwhelming. The police, having done their duty, left the scene, their job far from over as the case continued to unfold in the courts.
You gotta pick up her legs.
22 to 702.
Dumb shit. Stupid funny shit. I don't give a I literally don't give a
Well, she's going to jail. I'll tell you that right now.
No doubt.
Going, no, 100%. 100%.
You guys alright?
Yeah.
Her case remains ongoing, with the woman pledging not guilty to all charges. Stay tuned to TCOP Cam for more updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed on all the latest from the front lines of crime and justice. Until next time, stay safe and informed.